Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Mate Xs2, and today I'll show you how we can enable power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, and when you have your toggles right here, find the power saving mode. If it's not visible by default, we will need to click right here on this box, select edit, I'm gonna select edit switches. There we go, it's at the very top. So edit switches and find your power saving mode, hold it. You can see that the text right above it changes, so we can now drag it above here, drop it, click on done, and you have access to it now in this list. So from here, simply just tap on it. It gives you a quick message that save power by disabling features such as always on display and auto syncing. Click on it and you can see it's now enabled. You have this little leaf next to the battery that indicates that the mode is now active. Once you're done using it, you can turn it off by finding this toggle once more and clicking on it once again. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.